You're calling it a snooping app, so you know what it is.
I'm not asking.
You said snooping app, so it is a snooping app. I mean, clearly, it's ridiculous. Now, where else do they want to, citizens have their right to privacy. Even all of you must be having a right to privacy to send your own messages to family, friends, without the government looking at everything. It's not just one thing. It's not just snooping on the telephones. It's overall. They are turning this country into a dictatorship in every form. You ask me every day why Parliament is not functioning. It's not functioning because they're refusing to talk about anything. So it's very easy to blame the opposition, but the fact is they are not allowing any discussion on anything, and that is not democracy. A healthy democracy demands discussion, and everybody has different views. You hear them all.
प्रियंका जी, आपकी पार्टी ने क्या मांग करेगी संचार साथी ऐप को वापस लिया जाए?
रोल बैक
करना तो चाहिए। अभी मैंने सबसे बात नहीं की है, तो आज शायद वो चर्चा करके डिसीजन लेंगे कि हमारा क्या स्टैंड है।
But government is saying it's for national security, so that cannot.
And the fraud will be easy to report. The government
for
says.
national security. Yeah.
But that's a very fine line, no? It's a very fine line between fraud is easy to report and we can see everything that every citizen of India is doing on their phone. So that's not how it should work.
Thank you.
There should be an effective system to report fraud, and we've discussed this at great length on cyber security and this and that, and definitely there's a need for cyber security, but that doesn't mean that it gives you an excuse to go into every citizen's telephone. I don't think any citizen would be happy.
Election Commission